Pramod Sawanji, Honorable Forest Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane, our Honorable Tourism Minister Shri Rohan Khaunte, our GTDC Chairman Dr. Ganesh Gaonkar, our MLA from Pedne Mr. Arlekar, MLA from Naveli Mr. Tuekar, MLA from Bicholi Dr. Chandrakant Shete, our PCCF Kamal Dattaji, my MD Nandkumar Parab, our GM Amar Heblekar, all the dignitaries present here, all the respected guests, stakeholders of the Kaju industry, our hardworking farmers, our artisans, women entrepreneurs, and beloved citizens of Goa. Very, very warm welcome to Kaju Festival Season 3 2025. Before I begin today's celebrations, I would like to express my heartfelt condolences to the family members who have lost their loved ones in the Pahalgam attack, which happened on 22nd April, and in the Devi Lairai Zatra stampede that happened on the 2nd of May. I think however much we say, we try to pray for them, and what we are trying to do, and what the country has done for everybody, we can't bring back the lives, and we can't take away the pain that the families are going through. But before I begin today's celebrations, I would like to take a moment to salute the courage and commitment of our Indian Armed Forces, especially our Air Force. Their swift and selfless efforts in Operation Sindoor have once again shown the world what India stands for: compassion, strength, and unshakable resolve. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India has become a nation that not only protects its people but also leads with humanity on the global stage. We are proud of our brave soldiers and proud of our nation. Goa Kaju Fest is just not a festival of music or dance, which a lot of people think it is. But I would like to tell everybody, and I think by season 3 everybody should know, that this Kaju Fest stands for celebration of Goa's soul, its soil, and its spirit. I would like to welcome our MLA from Mahe, Mr. Premen Shetji. Please come up on the stage. In April 2023, under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawanji, our Goa Kaju Fest was officially declared a state festival, putting it in the league of the International Film Festival of India. This recognition has not only elevated our efforts, but has also empowered us to celebrate our identity with pride and purpose. Goa's Kaju industry is more than an economic activity. We call it a way of life. This festival is a platform that showcases the journey from Kaju cultivation to processing, from nut to the nectar. Our traditional Feni distillers, local artisans, and plantation workers breathe life into this heritage. This year, we are proud to feature live demonstrations, workshops, Feni Trail that educates and excites, and with Goa's Feni earning the GI tag, we are now taking this heritage spirit to the world stage with renewed pride. I would like to congratulate Mr. Bhakta of Kasgar, the Feni distillers, that they are the first distillers in Goa who has got a GI tag for their liquor. And this GI tag not only protects our authenticity, but positions Feni alongside global heritage liquors. And I'm sure all the other top distillers of Goa will soon follow suit, getting a GI tag for their distilleries. And soon enough, I'm sure the nut industry as well, the Kaju nut industry, the nut has also got a GI tag from Chennai, but I think in Goa the body has still not awarded the GI tag to the nut industry, and I'm sure all the top retailers of the nut industry in Goa will soon get a GI tag as well, and soon to follow will be our Kaju fruit and our Hurrak. So everything that is of Goa stays in Goa, and nobody can take away our Kaju identity. At the heart of GFDC's mission is the empowerment of our rural communities, especially the women. Today, over 500 women and an equal number of men are directly employed across 271 Kaju orchards operated by GFDC, spread over 6,850 hectares of land. These orchards are auctioned only to the local farmers, strengthening grassroots ownership and local employment. This year alone, 169 local farmers have acquired harvesting rights, employing both family members and village labor for nut collection and feni distillation. More than 30,000 people across Goa directly depend on this industry, and the Goa Kaju Fest is their platform to shine. Through this festival, we aim to help them move up the value chain, not just as workers, but as entrepreneurs, leaders, and as innovators. Our long-term vision is to build a Kaju ecosystem that's both economically vibrant and ecologically responsible. In the past 2 years, GFDC has rejuvenated over 354 hectares of Kaju plantations with a plan to add 280 hectares every year. We are actively investing in agroforestry and sustainable farming, research in value-added products, including innovations using Kaju apple and even Kaju shells. And we aim to promote zero waste processing that aligns with global environmental goals. We envision Goa not just as a top producer of Kaju, but as a global leader in Kaju innovation. I must acknowledge, under the able leadership of our Honorable Health Minister Vishwajit Rane and the guidance of Mr. Richard Noronha, the Goa FDA has done commendable work in protecting our Kaju identity. In recent months, over the last 1 year, strict action has been taken against substandard Kaju sales, particularly in tourist zones like Kalangut and Kandoli belts. These raids have safeguarded our brands and reinforced the trust of our consumers, local and international alike. GFDC, as a nodal agency to the Forest Department, has started ecotourism activities. We have started ecotourism cottages and camps, and starting in Bondla. We have started waterfall safaris in Netravali, and we are soon going to inaugurate Aranyak camp in Mole, in Savarde Panchayat, which is close to the Dudhsagar waterfalls. By next month, I'm sure, hopefully at the hands of Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Forest Minister, and all the dignitaries present here on the dais. And we maintain our forest areas clean by providing wayside facilities and zero tolerance to garbage menace. Let us celebrate not only the Kaju, but the communities and that nurture it, the culture that surrounds it, and the future it holds. As we continue our journey towards sustainability and innovation, I'm proud to announce 2 significant initiatives today. Firstly, let me share something which is truly special, which is very close to our heart, our very own Sylvan Kaju brand, grown in our orchards, packed with care, presented with pride. These aren't just premium Kajus, they are a taste of our land, our tradition, and our people. It's more than just packaging Kajus. It's about packaging a story of our soil, our people, and our passion. This is our effort to take Goan Kaju from our farms to the world, adding value and visibility to our local brand. It's our way of saying, Goinso Kazu, Goinso Garu. Goa gets its Kaju from our main talukas of Kankon, Sange, Kepe, Sattari, Dharbandora, Pedne, and Bicholi. But there is one taluka in Goa, which is a huge, beautiful taluka, that is a taluka of Salset, which is still lacking behind in producing that much of Kaju that it can produce, and it has the scope of producing Kaju as much as the other talukas of Goa. Secondly, this is an initiative that's as green as it is bold. And we are proud to announce and launch a Kaju plantation drive in our Salset taluka, in every panchayat of Salset, from Majorda, from Betalbati, from Varka, Carmona, right up to Kavelosi, Veli and Shishini, and I'm sure more panchayats will follow suit. But I want to welcome each of these panchayats who are present here today from Salsette, and every panch member and sarpanch of Salsette who are present here, of all these panchayats who are a part of this initiative, who have shown their interest in taking this initiative forward, and who are helping us increase the production in Salsette and in our Goa's beautiful coastline of Salsette. The cashew trees, as we all know, are tough, rooted and resilient, just like the people of Goa. This initiative is a win-win. It safeguards our environment and creates livelihood in our coastal villages. This initiative is going to help fight the sand and soil erosion and protect our beautiful shores of Salsette and our beautiful beaches of Salsette. So along with the panchayats of Salsette, we take this initiative forward, and I'm very, very happy to welcome them here, and they have shown their initiative and their acceptance and their interest in taking this plantation drive forward. So from the hills to the sea, we want the cashew tree to stand tall as a symbol of resilience and renewal. Let us care for Goa as Goa has always cared for each one of us. Let us move forward together with pride in our past, power in our present, and purpose in our future. Jai Hind, Jai Gomantak. Thank you very much for being a part of the Cashew Festival Season 3.